This meditation is designed to cultivate a sense of self-love. So let's get started straight in. Settle yourself down, get in a comfortable position. You can do it sitting down, lying down on the sofa, on your bed. Just get yourself nice and comfortable. Once you've settled yourself down, then simply close your eyes, or even just soften your gaze, and start to turn your attention towards your breath. Notice your breath, without trying to change it. And also notice if you feel tense or relaxed, but without trying to change that either. So slowly inhale through your nose and then exhale through your mouth. Continue to take deep breaths. Full breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe, become aware of the state of your body and the quality of your mind. Where, if anywhere, is there tension being held in your body? Do you feel closed off or shut down emotionally? Where is your mind right now? Is it wandering, or is it at home within the breath? Is your mind at ease, or is it filled with restlessness, negativity, and doubt? Now, place both hands over your heart and continue to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Ask yourself, how does it feel to place my hands over this tender area, this place where I experience love for self and others? Let your breath become more smooth and effortless, and begin to breathe in and out through your nose. Feel the flow of the air moving into your lungs and then back out into the world. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing any and every negative thought that may be lingering within your mind. Continue to focus on your breath. On each inhale, think to yourself, I am worthy. And on each exhale, I am enough. Let each inhale draw in self-love and each exhale release what is no longer serving you. Take a few minutes to repeat this. Breathe in and recite this mantra internally. Notice how you feel as you say these words to yourself. If your mind wanders at any point, know that it's okay. It's the nature of the mind to wander. Simply just bring your attention back to the breath, back to the present moment. Notice how your thoughts come and go like luggage on a conveyor belt at the airport. Simply acknowledge each thought or each piece of luggage, and then let it pass on, out of sight and out of mind. Returning to your thoughts, notice whether they are positive or negative, and do not judge them. Simply let them pass on like clouds floating in the sky. Now visualize yourself standing in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. What do you see? Pain, sadness, love, joy, peace, enlightenment, neutrality? Regardless of what appears in your reflection, tell yourself, I love you. You are beautiful. You are strong. And you are worthy of happiness. Know that what you see in the mirror in this very moment may be different from what you see the next time you look. Imagine now that you could breathe into your heart and visualize love pouring out of your hands and into your heart. Let this love warm and permeate you from your heart center, filling the rest of your body. Feel a sense of comfort and calm traveling up through your chest, into your neck and head, out into your shoulders, arms and hands, and then down into your ribs, belly, pelvis, legs and feet. Allow a sensation of warmth to fill you from head to toe. Breathe here and know that love is always available for you whenever you may need it. When you're ready, take a few more deep, mindful breaths and then slowly open your eyes. Sit for a few moments to acknowledge the unique experience you just had during this meditation. Refer back to this practice anytime you need to create a loving space for yourself. You cannot do it too many times. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn something new about yourself and to tune into your physical and emotional needs. Let self-love enable you to build a stronger relationship with yourself and allow you to show up more fully in your life each and every day. I hope you gained some degree of value from this meditation today. Thanks again for listening, and as always, all the best and take care.